Today, we're diving into an all-season tire showdown between two industry heavyweights, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 and the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3. These tires promise year-round performance, but which one truly excels? Let's find out. In wet conditions, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 stops slightly quicker at 29.56 meters compared to Goodyear's 30.09 meters. However, the Goodyear excels in wet handling with faster lap times and superior aquaplaning resistance, beginning to slip at 91.6 kilometers per hour versus Hankook's slipping speed of 88.5. Under dry conditions, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 takes the lead in braking, stopping at 39.79 meters, while the Goodyear needs 41.57 meters. Both tires perform admirably in dry handling, with Hankook slightly edging out Goodyear in lap times. In snowy conditions, Goodyear takes the crown. It stops at 19.16 meters compared to Hankook's 19.52 meters, showing better snow braking performance. The Goodyear also excels in snow traction, accelerating from 5 to 40 kilometers per hour in 5.82 seconds, whereas the Hankook takes 6.03 seconds. Handling in snow further showcases Goodyear's dominance, with a lap time of 85.78 seconds, outperforming Hankook lap time of 88.34 seconds. Subjectively, drivers rated the Goodyear higher at 9.8 out of 10, while Hankook scored 9.5. This indicates a better overall feel and control on snowy terrains for the Goodyear. When it comes to comfort, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 scores a perfect 10, while the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 follows closely with 9.8. Both tires ensure a smooth and pleasant driving experience. Rolling resistance is crucial for fuel efficiency. The Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 has a slight advantage here with a coefficient value of 7.88 compared to Hankook coefficient value of 8. This means the Goodyear can potentially offer better fuel savings over time. So, which tire should you choose? If you prioritize wet and dry braking, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 is a solid choice. But if you need a tire that excels in snow, provides exceptional handling across all conditions, and offers better fuel efficiency, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 is your go-to tire. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.